Hi there. Students taking AQA A-level business are required to know the difference between consumer goods and industrial goods. So let's just spend a few minutes looking at what the difference between the two is. Let's start with a quick overview. Consumer goods are those that we should be pretty familiar with. It's the stuff that we buy as a final consumer for our own personal consumption as households, as consumers. And really the difference in the different types of consumer goods is the way that we buy them and why we buy them. On the right hand side there, industrial products are goods that are bought and sold by businesses between businesses, and they're used for use in further processing or for conducting your business. Well, that's an introduction. Let's just focus for a few more minutes on consumer goods, and the specification, the AQA specification, identifies three types of consumer products: convenience products, shopping products, and specialty products. And we'll just spend a minute going through each of these to give you an example of what they're about and also the implications for the marketing mix. Convenience products are those which are bought frequently, not much effort involved in them. We spend more time and perhaps invest more thought in our choice of shopping products. And finally, a lot of time spent and careful consideration when we decide which specialty products to buy. Here's some examples of convenience products: bag of crisps, toothpaste, can of Coke. We buy them frequently. We don't spend a lot of time thinking about buying them, often on impulse. The implication for the marketing mix is that they tend to be pretty low priced items. We're not investing a lot in them. We can find them in lots of different outlets, so distribution tends to be pretty widespread, and you'll typically find that the promotion for them is mass promotion. Well, we need to spend a bit more time, and we do spend more time on shopping products because we buy them less frequently. Clothing, household items like furniture, and here we tend to be more concerned and be more selective in terms of the quality, perhaps the brand, and the price that we pay. And therefore, shopping products tend to be higher prices than convenience products, and you'll find them in relatively fewer outlets. Distribution is less widespread. The key with promotion is widespread advertising by both the producers and the retailers. And finally, specialty products. Well, as you might imagine, these tend to be the higher priced items that maybe require us as consumers to make a special effort when deciding what to buy. Our choice of car, perhaps even our choice of holiday. Distribution is more limited. In some cases it may be exclusive to one or more distribution channels, and the promotion needs to be more carefully targeted to those consumers looking to buy, to invest in a specialty product. So there we go, that's an overview of the three types of consumer products. We mentioned industrial products. These are the ones which are bought by and from businesses, and these are all about what you need to have as a good to continue to operate a business. So it could be parts for a business that is assembling components, it could be raw materials into a manufacturing business, but it can also be capital items like infrastructure, IT systems, servers, as well as the services and supplies that businesses buy from each other in order to operate. Security, outsourced telecommunications, customer service, all that kind of stuff. Key thing with industrial products is that the marketing mix tends to be pretty different. You tend, for example, when buying industrial products, to be dealing with specialist buyers and specialist sellers. Often you'll have professional buyers within a business whose job it is to get the right product at the right price. Therefore, there is more time invested in the buyer-seller relationship. Quality is always an issue in industrial products. And similarly, depending on the type of product, you tend to need more after-sales support. But again, it'd be worth jotting down a few of those points there on the slide to add to your understanding of the issues when you're marketing industrial products. There we go. That was quite a quick overview, but hopefully useful. The difference there between consumer goods and industrial goods.